This is the most simple collard green recipe you will ever come across. If you don't believe me, just watch.
Have you ever went in the kitchen and seen nothing and still made something and it became scrumptious?
Welcome to Carmel's Wine and Cheese, where we make a little of any and everything, something out of nothing, all while measuring with nothing but love. Now in today's video, what I'm going to be making for you all is a super simple and super delicious collard green recipe. Now the first thing I'm going to do is wash my smoked turkey. Now I done said it in my first video, how to really make hot lemon pepper wings. If it can be washed, I'm going to wash it before I can consume it. Rinse them off, and I'm going to fill the pot up with water until the smoked turkey is submerged. And of course, I'm going to add the fresh garlic and fresh jalapeno just to give it a little spice. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the eye on high heat and cover it with the lid. And once it comes to a boil, that's going to cook for about 1 hour. So now that the smoked turkey has been cooking for about an hour, I'm going to go ahead and add those collard greens in there. And I'm going to let those cook on high heat for roughly about 45 minutes. So periodically while the greens are cooking, you want to check the water level because quite naturally the water is going to evaporate over time. Um, I personally don't like no soupy greens, so I add my water in there little by little. It just depends on your liking, but I'm just going to add a little bit more in there because I see the water level was getting a little bit low. So right here, what I'm just going to do is separate the meat from the bone because when I eat my greens, listen now, I ain't trying to be wrestling with no bones now. I just want to enjoy my meaty, delicious greens. Now, you don't have to do this. I personally just prefer to do this. So, for the collard green seasoning, all we are going to add is some cooking oil and some kosher salt. Now for the amount of kosher salt you're going to add in there, it really just depends on how much liquid you have and how much greens you have. Now I say just season it to taste. So once the collard greens are seasoned, we're going to go ahead and turn it on to medium low heat and cover it and let it cook for an additional 30 minutes, and then it's done. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. Now listen, if you know a collard green recipe most simple than this, I want you to drop that link in the comment section so I can look at it.